that. Look at Tony. Don't put him on Facebook. Throw that ass. Throw the ass. Throw, hey, the ass, throw that. Hey, let that ass do, man. You ain't too tight, is it?
My bad for the people that was waiting. We had a little, what's that called? Little fart, little internet fart, y'all. I be trying my best at all times. Just know that.
All right, guys, we got the rubber tickets, like I said. But hey, $5 rubber tickets. But right now, we back to the dragster route.
For my people watching on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. So y'all can see a clearer view, HD, widescreen. Put it on your TV, cause it's gonna be a show tonight. Oh yeah, man. Man, it smells like some good fried chicken over here somewhere. I smell a two-piece start. Somebody say my channel seems to be breaking when I get 500 viewers. YouTube hating on me or something. I get 500 viewers, he get to acting up. All my people on TikTok, man. Y'all come check it out, widescreen.
I need to go in and scan you in, man.
Widescreen, man.
Yo, I'm out of Baton Rouge.
Oh, you out of Baton Rouge? We got Baton Rouge in the house, y'all. Okay. I got my TikTokers in here. Yeah, them TikTokers only get to see one car at a time. Cause it sound like right lane was getting off the gas, y'all. Oh, okay, right lane won. He ain't have to stay on the gas the whole time to win. Look at what's going on with the transmission, man. I still ain't out the shop yet, y'all. I got 2 transmissions up there. One new 4L80, one older model 4L80. We can't get neither one of them good. We've been trying to get a new pump in it. Let me see. Yeah, he said that, yeah, man, we're gonna try one last thing. And then when he was trying that, he was like, I got it, everything in there, a new pump and everything, this and that. Then he was like, it's not leaking so far, gonna have to get it put in and then, you know, check it from there. And then when they was finna put it in, he was like, yeah, man, what'd he say? Yeah, the freaking power went out. Okay, we back. Woo! Okay, we back, y'all. He like, yeah, man, we been, oh, man. I don't know why I was tripping so much now. I'm gonna get away from over here. But yeah, he was like, yeah, I got a buddy that I built the transmission for. It's holding around 1,300 horsepower. Huh? Flacco, I mean, yeah, not Flacco, the truck, the S10 one. Huh? Nothing. I'm finna go get some. It's boot counter time, y'all. Huh? Okay. Paper Ray, you move around too much. I ain't standing in no one spot. I don't be hard headed. I move around. I get bored in one spot. It been working pretty good so far. Oh, I'm ready, man. I'm ready. Oh, you been twisted? You got me twisted. Yeah, you got me twisted over you. I know I got what you need right here, baby. Do what you wanna do. Baby, I know. Oh, shit. Baby, I love you so. But I gotta be strong. Ooh, you do me right. That bitch ain't going. Okay, hold on. Hey. You say you really want me, girl. Ooh, that was it right there. Yeah. See, we be moving around. See, when I move around at the racetrack, that make you feel like you here, cause it look like you walking around with me. You know what I'm saying? Some people be saying, yeah, man, it feel like I was there at the track with you, man. And you know, it's cause I move around, I'm talking to different people, going places you probably ain't going, looking under the people's hoods you probably ain't looking all in these people's cars. You ain't gonna never get to see that. So yeah, that's what I do. Ooh, you did me wrong. Ooh. I'm trying to get right, man. I'ma leave this right here. Let me see. How did I like that potato vodka? Man, 5.0 dead shot. I ain't even get that drink that much of it, man.
I was trying to tell you, bring me a medium shirt for her.
I'm missing mediums. I got larges. I gotta work something out. I'm finna get something done.
Hey, I do that too. I make sure.
Oh, you do? Oh, we need to hook up.
For sure.
Cause I'm already ready for my next design. I got somebody that be doing A1, but I'll give you a shot. I'll give you a shot. What's up, Cole Walsh? Oh, we got fun. I'll be back. I'm gonna be back.